Bluestacks is a great program that lets you play Android games on your PC, and that's very helpful if you want to play a game that's only on your phone, and you want to be able to play it on your PC as well, whether you want to record it or do anything like that. And you can even sometimes transfer your progress, and they've got special keybinds to make it easier to play those games. Overall, it's a great program, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install Bluestacks on your computer. To install Bluestacks, first go to bluestacks.com on the internet or click the link that I left down below in the description, then press the big Download Bluestacks 5 in the middle. Wait for the installation to finish and then double click on the new downloaded file. In my browser it appears in the top right, in your browser it may appear anywhere else like in the bottom left, stuff like that. Now double click on it, and you'll see once you've double clicked it'll pull up this installation page. Normally it'll have an installation bar, but I already have it installed, so I just press the big blue launch button. And then boom, you'll see that Bluestacks is launching, and you're now able to play Android games on PC. If you want a whole guide on specific games and how to get them, I've got tons of those on my channel, so please subscribe if you enjoyed this, and thank you guys so much for watching.